But on the Sicario. Oh!
Yep. A few fish cracking over the other side there on that bank as well.
Yeah.
Less fish here now and they're sort of moving around.
Excuse me?
A little bit less fish here now and they're sort of moving around a bit.
Yeah.
I think so. I haven't seen a fish swell here for a little bit. Yeah. Seems it. Bit boil there. It was, wasn't it? I think I think what happened is I spooked him or got him to stir up. It's pretty good. How good. That is a good one. Not bad at all. Yeah, 60 maybe. Oh, yeah, maybe. Yeah, let's get the bragging out. Have a quick gaze. That was pretty cool though. When it's like, yeah, said eat. Because I seen that spook, I'm like, oh, surely that's one there. Oh. Pinned him good.
Shit, sorry.
No, you're good. Oh yeah, 60, 63 or so. That's not bad. Alright. Have a go at that. That is a nice, clean looking barry for a dam. And yes, we're back at the dam again today, having a crack for a few barries. So fingers crossed this isn't the first one. And fingers crossed Zachary can catch a few as well. We got to let Zach catch one. He's got next dibs. Come on, swing your tail around. But have a go at that. That's a nice, healthy little barrow. We got the sun on it, glistening, but what a nice looking little dam barrow. Happy with that. Said eat as well, so like pulling it back through and like, yep, that's got to be something there. And then bang, you could hear it underwater. That was cracker. Damn good, damn fish. Alright guys, let's get him back. They're pretty clean for like dam barry, aren't they? Oh. Wuss.
Boasted.
Oh man, that was good. Oh, Zach's down.
Stopped it a little bit early for that one, sorry.
No, you're good. Oh man, you gotta get one. You gotta get one.
No, I know. I've got me time. I'm waiting for it.
You'll get the biggest.
That was a pretty good fish out of here, like 63. That's pretty good.
I was surprised, eh?
Yeah.
Like when it clunked it, I was like, whew, that felt pretty good. Proper. Oh yeah. It's all about that eat. Well, the last few fish I've been getting clunked and just no hook up.
Yeah. That one was it.
That one was proper. But yeah, you must have seen it, swirled on it to chase it, and then ate it.
Hang on. that your last of the white ones?
No, I got about 3 more, I think. Did you want one? What, 2 more?
Oh, try using hand lures, man. If you get desperate.
You get desperate.
I'll hit you up, mate. Don't worry about that. I've got a couple of things I haven't pulled out yet, so just a couple of things I want to catch fish on.
Yeah, that's it, eh? Oh, it's good when you can catch fish on something different as well. Yeah, as slow as you can go without hitting the weed. Normally once I get it in pretty close, I just lift the rod tip. Alright guys, so that was just on the little Molex RT shad in the 3.5 inch. Pretty sure it's just white herring or white bait. Just super slow roll. Oh, popped me. Oh no, pulled hooks. Bugger. You see how quick the other lure come in then? He ate that right at the weed line. He had 2 cracks at it. The first crack was real soft and faint, and I was like, oh, maybe that's the weed. So I picked the rod tip up, and then he smacked it right at the bank. Crazy. Who had it? Yeah, that's sick.
That's a full pack of that colour too, so I'm not worried.
Oh, yes.
That's a decent fish. It's no bigger than the one he got. It's a nice healthy one, but again.
Yeah, real staunch and big in the shoulders.
Up.
Oh, how good, but on the Sicario.
Oh! Oh, he's gone. We'll get a hold up, hold up.
Yeah, get a hold up. Do you want the braggy?
Oh, no. I'll call him similar to yours.
Be mid-60s or so.
Got the mud in the eye still, probably.
Hold him up. How the god that? How aerial was he, eh?
Yeah, he was nice.
Bloody cracking fish, man.
Hit hard.
About the time I told you to get the next one, that's why I dropped that one before.
Yeah, this is that one, eh? No, for freshies, man, they're healthy looking.
Yeah, bloody oath.
Yeah.
Proper. Almost looks like a salty.
Fun, eh?
Yeah. Ass up in the mud.
See you later, mate.
That's wicked.
First cast after the colour change.
Yeah.
Just on that weird...
Yeah, it must be the lighter colours, eh? You see how the old man goes, I put a heavy hitter on in white.
Oh.
We'll see how it goes. Oh, he's going to pinch me spot. No, you're good. You're all good. There's definitely a few congregated in here, but...
Yeah, definitely. It hits that time and they're like, whoa. Ready to go.
It's on for young and old.
I don't know about the old bit.
Another one?
Faint little tap, but it was a definite fish.
Yeah. Just nosing it, eh?
Yeah, a little sharper than that.
Oh, yeah. It's starting to get up shallow, eh? Had a couple swirl in front of me. It's getting tense. Woofed. Mint sunset. That's good. All right, wrapping up for the day. We're calling it. We're done. We've caught our few fish. Oh, sorry. Most of us have caught a few fish. Yeah, but I've got cold beer. Yes, cold beers.
And caught a few fish.
Yeah. Hooked a few. Soft plastics count, don't they?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Trying it.
Yeah. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Definitely drop a thumbs up if you got this far, and I'll see you in the next one. Remember, 80-20, that's fishing.